So now let's proceed to item number 21. Given is a system of linear congruent which congruent 1 is 2x modulo 5 modulo 7 and congruent 2 is 3x modulo 4 modulo 8. So which is the last positive solution for x is. So first, we need to find the multiplicative inverse of the 2 modulo 7. So, let us try first. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 modulo 1 modulo 7. So, the inverse of 2 modulo 7 is 4. Now, multiply both sides by 4, which is x modulo 5 times 4 is equal to 20 modulo 6 modulo 7. Now, x is equal to 7. This means x is equal to 7k plus 6 for some integers. Next, we are going to substitute the congruent 2, which is 3x modulo 4 modulo 8. So, replace x with 7k plus c. So, it will become 7k plus 6 modulo 4 modulo 8. Simplify left side, which is 21k plus 18 modulo 4 modulo 8. Now, let's simplify 5k plus 2 modulo 4 modulo 8. 5k modulo 2 modulo 8 and 5 times 5 is equal to 25 modulo 1 modulo 8. K modulo 2x plus 2 times 5 rather. 2 times 5 is equal to 10 modulo 2 modulo 8. So, k is equal to 8m plus 2. So, x is equal to 7, 8m plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 56m plus 20. So, our x is 20. So, our answer for number 21, the last positive solution for x is 20. So, B.